Hello students, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Once again welcome back to your class Ravi Sarji Maths, the easier and better way to learn the concepts of mathematics. Students, in today's video lecture we are going to know about transpose of matrices and their operations. Students, in a previous video lecture you have learned about types of matrices, operations of matrices, multiplication, subtraction, addition, all these things you have studied. You have learned how to find out unknown variable of equal matrices. Okay students, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay, let's see over here. Students, first of all we will know the transpose of matrices. What is the meaning of transpose? Students, the elements of rows will be converted to the elements of column, and elements of column will be converted into elements of rows in transpose of matrices. Okay, let us see with example over here. Students, first of all you can read the definitions of transpose of matrices. If all the rows of matrix A, right, Aij are the elements of matrix, its order is m by n. It means m is a row and n is column, right, are converted into the corresponding columns. The matrix is to be obtained is called transpose of matrix. If A is a matrix in the form of Aij, its order is m by n, is a matrix, then its transpose is Aj. Ji means what? The column will be converted into row and row will be converted into column, and the order will be converted in, here is m by n, so it will be converted into n by n, is denoted by A transpose, otherwise A dash, right students? Let us see with example over here. Let us consider a matrix A, right, having elements A11, A12, A21, A22, right students? So what can we say about the transpose of this matrix? Right, so transpose of this matrix can be written as, now row will be converted into column and column will be converted into row. So this is row, it will be converted into column. So you can write what? A11, A12, and A22 and 21 can be written as A21 and A22, right students? 8 is to the power t is the transpose of matrix A. Okay, let us see another example. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Students, this is 3 by 3 matrix. So transpose of this matrix can be written as, so A transpose, row will be converted into column. So here you can write A11, A12, A13, right, and A21, A22, A23, and finally A31, A32, A33. Understood? Similarly students, let us see another example over here. Suppose a matrix A, like A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, right? So what will be the transpose of this matrix? So A transpose, so you can write what? All these rows converted into column, A11, A12, A13, and this rows is converted into column A21, A22, A23. Right students, let us move another example over here. Suppose a matrix A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32. Right students, now this matrix is to be converted, the row column will be converted into row and row will be converted into column. So A transpose of this matrix, okay, these will be converted into what? Column. A11, A12, A21, A22, and A31, A32. Right? Okay, moving to the final example. Suppose A having matrix element A11, A12, A13. So what will be the transpose of this matrix? A11, A12, A13. Okay students, now we will do the application of transpose of matrices in word problems in the question over here. In very first question students, you can see that the matrix A is given by 2 by 2 matrix, and here we have to obtain A plus A transpose and A minus A transpose. Students, first of all we will find out the transpose of this matrix. A is having element sin theta minus cos theta, right? And cos theta, sin theta. So find out transpose of this matrix. So A transpose, the row will be converted into column and column will be converted into rows. So this row can be converted into column. So you can write what? Sin theta minus cos theta and cos theta sin theta. Right students? Now your first question is what? Find out A plus A transpose. So writing the matrix A and matrix A transpose. Okay, so sin theta minus cos theta, here is been cos theta and sin theta, plus now A transpose sin theta cos theta minus cos theta sin theta. So what will be the result over here? Sin theta, you are getting 2 sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta, what? 0. Cos theta and minus cos theta, 0. Sin theta and sin theta, 2 sin theta. Right? Similarly students, we will find out A minus A transpose. Okay, so A minus A transpose. So students, A minus A transpose can be written as A plus minus A transpose. Right? Write down the matrix A over here. What is A? Sin theta minus cos theta and sin theta. Right? Now here you have to write the transpose of A with minus multiplication of minus sign. So you are writing plus over here. Now this is A transpose, you are multiplying with minus terms, so here will be minus sin theta minus cos theta. This will be cos theta and this will be minus sin theta. Right students? Okay, so sin theta and minus sin theta, you are getting element 0. Minus cos means minus 2 times cos theta. Cos theta and cos theta, 2 cos theta plus sin theta and minus sin theta will be 0. Okay. Now students, in question number 2, same things you will have to do over here. First of all, writing the matrix A having element 2, -1, 5, 3, 2, -4, 6, 3, 8. Right, students? Now finding the transpose of A means all these row will be converted into column. So writing first row in form of column. So 2 minus 1, 5. Now second row will be converted into column. So 3, we will find out A plus A transpose, right? So A plus A transpose. So write the elements of A matrix A. 2, 3, 6, minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 4, 8, plus A transpose. 2, 3, 6, minus 1, 2, 3, 5, minus 4, 8. Right? So 2 plus 2, 4. Minus 1 plus 3, 2. 5 plus 6, 11. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Minus 4 and plus 3, minus 1. 6 plus 5, 11. 3 plus 3 minus 4, minus 1. 8 plus 8, 16. Students, I hope you have understood this video lessons. For more video lessons, keep watching your channel Ravi Sir Ji Maths. Thank you so much.